Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Marwa the graphic designer. In today's video I will edit the text in a new way that I have never done in my channel. So its name is like a sliced text, and I will add my ideas in it. My ideas that I have created already. So let's start it. Let's open the Photoshop, and I have created the artboard that is around 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now we will select a rectangle tool, and then we'll make a rectangle in this artboard, and just it. Okay, we will fill this rectangle with a gradient that I have used it already. So we will edit it just a little bit by saturation, and like this, and this, and like this. Okay, now we will add some text in it. So horizontal type tool, select horizontal type tool, and then add any type of text on it. I have added text txt in it. Okay, I have used the font Berlin Sans FB Demi, and it will be bold, and yes, and we will now click Ctrl plus T to increase its size. Yes, this is better. Now we will rasterize this text layer. So it is rasterized. Now we will choose polygonal lasso tool, and we'll make a selection by this. Okay, and good. Okay, now we will double click it and layer via cut. Okay, so it is cutted, and okay, then yes, now we will arrange it like this. Okay, now we will select brush tool. And its fill will be black, and opacity will be 24, like 24 or 25. Okay, and sorry, yes, this layer, this lower layer. Okay, lower part of the text. Okay, we will zoom it, and then choose brush tool, and will color it like it, and good. Okay, and yes, just it. Okay, yes. Now we will select this text layer, upper part of the text, this layer. Now we will select it. Now we will add stroke to it. We will add stroke to it by going to blending options, and then clicking on stroke, and stroke, I will put the red color in the stroke in the upper part, and like red color. Okay, it is better. Yes, its opacity will be 100%, and position will be center, and it is good. Okay, then we will select the lower part of the text, and then go to blending options, and then we'll put stroke in it, this stroke, and we will put like blue color in it. Let's see it. Okay, yes, okay, it is good. Yes, okay, Now yes, guys, please ignore the background voice that you have even heard. Okay, now we will choose the brush tool and like it, and will make like a shing in it. Yes, increase its hardness. Okay, okay, and we'll okay, then we will select this layer and then put colors in this layer. Sorry, okay, now we will select this layer. We select this both layer even if possible. Let's see. Okay, it is not possible to select both layer and apply blending options on it, so we will select it separately. Select the upper part of the layer and then we will go to blending options, and now edit it by going to drop shadow, and opacity, I will decrease its opacity and will make a like soft. Yes, and distance will be very near, and its size, yes, okay, okay, and if it look great to put drop shadow in this lower part, so let's check it if it is looking good, so we will stop on it, and if it's not looking good, so we will not edit it more. So drop shadow and drop shadow, okay, we will decrease opacity and okay, now we will change its place. Okay, so and making it and yes, it is now fully created and it is our final design. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, share my video with your friends and family. So meet you soon in my another video. So let's get Allah Hafiz.